I'm Mary Beth Albright with The Washington Post. Do you ever get a sneaking suspicion that something happened to you between the afternoon and dinner time? Yeah, it's called your life, and we need to celebrate it now more than ever. So today, I'm making very simple salami chips that are gonna be part of this afternoon snack that I like to call merenda. That's what they call it in Italy when you have an after-school snack or an after-labor snack that you've really earned. Even small cooking projects like making salami chips for a couple of minutes can give you a sense of accomplishment that can really reduce anxiety. Salami chips are pretty much the easiest thing you can possibly make. It's baked salami. You take salami and you bake it in the oven, and it turns into these just crunchy little bits of pork or beef or whatever your salami is made of. There's enough fat in this that you don't need any oil, but I'm putting down a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet just so that it's easier cleanup. So lay whatever salami you have out in a single layer and just put it in the oven at 325. While the salami is baking for just a couple of minutes, I'll show you some of the other things that I put on my merenda board. One of the things I really love, any hard cheese. Generally, the harder the cheese, the longer it lasts. So if you're indoors right now and you're buying up a lot of cheese, buy the hard cheese. This is Parmigiano Reggiano, the king of cheeses. And this cheese has been around since the Middle Ages, well before refrigeration. So we know that this is a cheese that's gonna last. Dried fruit is fantastic, and it adds sweetness and chewiness. These are dried mangoes. I also love dried strawberries. Try looking for things that are a little bit unusual. These are peppadew peppers. This is an olive tapenade, just finely chopped up olives that you can spread on crackers. I love adding whole grain mustard because it just adds a great mouthfeel, very different, those little pops, love it. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes at 325 degrees, and it smells amazing in here. It smells like baking salami. Yes, take them off with tongs very carefully and place them onto paper towels to drain. You'll know that they're ready when the sides start to shrivel up like that. It smells like a pizzeria in this house. All right, now just transfer them to your merenda board. And now we're ready for one. I like to eat them while they're hot. With the whole grain mustard, cuts through the fattiness of the salami, the crunchiness, the pop of the mustard seeds together. Acidic mustard, I'm all about it. I think right now, we're looking for our food to maybe get a little more interesting, and this crumbled can add some interest on top of pasta or soup. I'm Mary Beth Albright with The Washington Post. There's still a lot of joy to be found through food.